Okay, it is early morning hours and I turned my air conditioner off so that I can film this video without the distraction of all that noise in the background, so you're welcome. I've got some collaborations coming up. 3, maybe 4 of them that will be posted before the end of October. And right now I just wanted to do this makeup look. It'll be here or here. I don't know. It'll be somewhere on the screen. I found this when I was just looking for ideas on the internet, and I believe it's someone's Facebook picture. I don't know, it showed up in a Google search. I don't even know what to call it yet, but I'm going to try it. The first time that I have tried to do a look just from a picture and not following a tutorial was kind of a disaster, and that video may be posted before this one. If not, look for it. It's my Valkyrie look from the Lost Scrolls. So I have this that I'm going to try and just see how it goes on. If I don't like it, I'm going to switch and use my regular foundation and the Manic Panic Dream Tone. But we'll see. I'm going to give this a try. I mean, it should be a fairly simple look to duplicate, but I am not a professional of any sort. I just love alternative makeup and special effects makeup, and so we're going to give it a try. Alright, first I guess I'm just going to put the white. Let's just kind of put this on and don't forget the ears. And I'm not going to put white on the neck on purpose because in that picture, the dude has a black neck. Alright, I'm not wanting a pure white like a clown white makeup. This is, I mean, I could keep layering this on and have it look a lot darker, but I'm gonna leave it alone for now. Alright, to make the triangles on my eyes, I didn't want to freehand it because I was afraid I would mess up, so I have cut some triangles out of a piece of paper that I plan on tracing. So let's see. No, that one's not going to be wide enough, I don't think. Is that one going to be too wide? It doesn't matter if that part's not perfect because we're going to be filling it in. Alright, I'm going to use a makeup brush because this is going to be a little more detailed than just putting it all over my face. I don't think a sponge would work for that. So I'm just going to start painting it on. I know that one thing that would make this look really good would be if I could have some colored contacts, but I can't wear them because of how dry my skin is from the radiation therapy and everything, so everything's really dry. My eyes are very, very dry. So contacts are not something that I can do. So we'll have to make do. Yeah, we'll have to make do without having any kind of color contact. Alright, we're not done with the eye area, don't worry, but I want to go ahead and work on the mouth some. Now this is the part that I'm not as confident about because I can't stay within the lines and draw a straight line most of the times. This is a black lip liner that I bought. I'm seeing already that I brought these triangles probably down too far to do too much of what I wanted, but we'll see what I can salvage. Now I'm going to put the red around the black, and I've been debating how to do this. I think I'm just going to go in with another lipstick by Lime Crime and just start outlining this. See what it looks like. If it doesn't look good, I'll try something else. Now I want to add some glitter to that red. Can you even see on camera that that's glittery? I'm going to try to put some more glitter on there because I don't like the way that's working out. That made a difference, I like that. I'm going to use some eyeshadow to contour right here. Right now I'm going to use a sponge to do my neck. I have glitter everywhere right now. That's the finished look, y'all. Tell me what you think. How did I do? Is it good for a beginner?